All right, so we had this gigantic pine tree unfortunately fall down in our yard when we had the 70 to 100 mile an hour windstorm kind of come through. So I'm going to use the good old Eagle here, made by Very Good Knife Company. In my design, it's my kind of modernized Viking sax style blade. I'm just going to take down this bigger limb. It's about, I'd say about 4 inches or so. A little bigger than what I usually would be cutting down with this size of knife, but just testing out the knife here, and the knife honestly outperforms past its weight class. That's partially because when I designed it, I put that really broad, wide blade on there with a high saber grind, and a wider blade just kind of helps blades outperform past their weight class. Tell me what you guys think of the Eagle.